Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for part 4 of my Zimmerman inspired dress, and this video I decided to divide the bodice from the sleeves and then to do the reveal because it was getting a lot. It's a lot. Right now I'm going to just film how I draw the pattern, and then we're going to see how I'm going to use the fabrics that I have in order to create the sleeves. What I'm doing right now is creating rows wide enough to cover the entire pattern, which is the sleeve. And then I'm going to attach the different layers to each other and then lay this pattern piece on top of what I created and cut it out. So I have the patchwork going, and I'll do that for both of the sleeves. Alright, so I managed to sew all the patches together. I iron it open because this is going to be the way I'm going to lay the sleeve on it in order for me to cut it out. So, this is the pattern for the sleeve. The seam allowance is already included, so I will be able to just use this as let's see, I have to move it a little bit this way so everything is covered. So I'm just going to pin it down and cut it out, and then I have the first sleeve. As you seen in the previous clip, I showed you how I lay it, how I draw the pattern, how I lay it on the fabric, how I try to figure out how to do the sleeves in the patch motif that I have been doing like this. The only thing is that in the dress, which is the inspiration, which I'm going to put right there, the sleeves are just patch sleeves. It's not a pleat like how you see in the skirt right here. This is the end product right here. I'm going to, in order for it to attach to the bodice, I would have to do some gathering on the shoulder. And of course the sleeves are not going to stay like this. It's going to be bishop sleeve, so I have to make a little I have to gather the sleeve hem, and also make a nice finish for the sleeve, but this is how it's looking. And then when you put it together with the skirt, I mean, isn't it already a look? I think so. I am so excited. I did a little IGTV yesterday to share in my excitement. My excitement is still here. I'm still very happy. The next challenge that I have is the bodice. Don't know if I have enough fabric for it, but I'm going to try to make it work. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. I hope to see you next week. And if by any chance you're from Instagram, just leave a little dress icon in the comment. Then I know where you're coming from. Have a great day. Bye.